Hi and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get unbanned from Omegle. First, what is Omegle exactly? To understand Omegle bans a bit better, it is important to understand what Omegle is. Omegle is a web app that allows users to chat with each other without a moderator and without having to create an account, adding an extra layer of anonymity. Omegle is based on randomness. The idea is to have a chance to talk to strangers and meet people randomly without any moderator. The way Omegle operates makes it so easy to get banned, and it may not be for any good or valid reason. You could be banned because you got dropped too much. Omegle may indeed ban you if too many people drop chats with you, or because you dropped too many people. Ironically, if you drop too many chats, Omegle may also ban you, or because someone reported you, even if you didn't behave inappropriately or said something that constitutes a violation. Any user can report another user for any reason. Someone may have not liked something innocent you said, and then you get banned. As you can see, there are quite a few possible reasons. Don't worry though, an Omegle ban is quite easy to bypass. With the technique I will show you, you can easily start using Omegle again. Before I show you how to get unbanned on Omegle, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button if you enjoy our content. This will mean a lot to us and help us create even more useful content. So, how can you get unbanned from Omegle? As you probably know, you don't need to create an account to use Omegle. This means that they don't ban accounts, but IP addresses. The moment a ban goes into effect on your IP address, your chat disappears, and you will see a message like this. Your computer/network is banned for possible bad behavior. The fastest and easiest way to get unbanned is to use ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is an app that you can install on your computer, smartphone, or tablet, and that allows you to change your IP address. Once connected, your real IP address will be hidden, replaced by the IP address of the VPN server. Imagine I'm currently banned from Omegle. Remember, it's not my account that got banned, since I don't have any, but my IP address. If I want to access Omegle again, what I need to do is use ExpressVPN to simulate a connection from another location. ExpressVPN will not only allow me to start using Omegle again, but it will protect my internet traffic and keep my identity private. First, click here. You can either choose between these few recommended locations or access all locations by clicking here. There are a lot of countries: the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Japan, just to name a few. These are all countries from which you can simulate a connection. Simply select a location. ExpressVPN will then establish a connection to the fastest server available in this specific location. As you can see here, my current IP address locates me in Nice, France. Let's use one of the recommended locations, the US for example. I double click, it's connecting, it only takes a few seconds. Done, I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the US. Let's refresh this page, and as you can see, my IP address has changed. It now locates me in Washington. Now my IP address has changed. I can start using Omegle again. My IP address is still banned, but it doesn't matter as I now have a new IP address, which is that of the VPN. You don't need to keep ExpressVPN open like this at all times. You can minimize the app and even close it. As you can read here, ExpressVPN will stay connected in the background. Here, we don't see the app anymore, but the VPN is still active. It will remain active until I press this button. Once you don't need to use the VPN anymore, you may deactivate it by pressing this button. I showed you how to do it from a computer, but it's the same principle if you're on a smartphone or tablet. As you saw, to get unbanned from Omegle, you need ExpressVPN. To sign up, visit vpn-club.com/express or click on the link located in the description under this video. ExpressVPN is one of the best VPNs for Omegle. They have more than 3,000 servers in 94 countries. It's a safe, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and so on. You can use it on up to 5 devices simultaneously. Great speeds, no bandwidth limit, a zero log policy, very effective to bypass Omegle bans. ExpressVPN is not free, it's a paid VPN, but it costs only a few dollars per month. With our link, you will take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free. To summarize, the idea is to use ExpressVPN to change your IP address. All you need to do is to select a location in the list of countries and press this button. That's it. It is that simple. Please note that ExpressVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up try the service for several weeks without any limit, and then request a refund if you wish. To get a refund, all you need to do is to contact the customer service and ask them to refund you. That's it. The only condition, make this request within 30 days after sign up. Otherwise, it will be too late. That said, I highly recommend that you keep your subscription, as ExpressVPN comes with many other benefits. To bypass censorship, access geo-restricted content, browse and download with greater privacy and anonymity, increase your security, avoid bandwidth throttling, buy cheaper plane tickets and video games, and more. Don't even think about free VPNs. Free VPNs are not very effective at unblocking Omegle. They are also unsecured and very slow. They don't offer unlimited bandwidth either. Best to forget about them. This is why I recommend using ExpressVPN, which is by far the easiest and most effective way to get unbanned from Omegle. Remember, with our link, you will take advantage of a 49% discount and 3 months free, as well as a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. Another great VPN to unblock Omegle is CyberGhost VPN. CyberGhost is another high-quality VPN with over 8,000 servers in 91 countries. Let's give it a try. I turn ExpressVPN off. I select a country in CyberGhost, the UK for example. As you can see, there are plenty of countries available. I press this button. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. Done. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the UK. Here is my new IP address. Let's refresh this page again. As you can see, my IP address has changed again. It now locates me in the UK. If I was banned from Omegle, I would be able to start using it again, as I now have a new IP address. Just like ExpressVPN, CyberGhost is available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and so on. You can use it on up to 7 devices simultaneously. Very effective to unblock Omegle as well. So, if ExpressVPN is a bit too expensive for you, I recommend that you get CyberGhost instead, as it is more affordable. To sign up, visit vpn-club.com/cyber or click on the link located in the description under this video. With our link, you will take advantage of an 82% discount and 3 months free, so just $2.29 per month for the 3-year plan. Great value for money. Please note that CyberGhost offers a 45-day money-back guarantee, which is more than most other VPN providers. If you can't unblock Omegle with ExpressVPN or CyberGhost, try connecting to another server. It is indeed possible that some of their IP addresses have been banned. If that's the case, simply try using a different VPN server. This should do the trick. Alright, that's all for today. Now you know how to get unbanned on Omegle. As you saw, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button. Thanks and see you next time.